So welcome to day 3 of the time and work problems. This is problem 1 for today. So I don't know how to pronounce it. Kaberi. I'll pronounce it as Kaberi. I don't know whether it is correct or not. Takes twice as much time as Kanti and thrice as much as Kalpana to finish a piece of work. So this is about the efficiency. So the last but one problem of yesterday's thing is about efficiency. Kaberi takes twice as much time as Kanti and thrice as much as Kalpana to finish a piece of work. They together finish the work in one day. They together, in the sense, all the three together completed the work in one day. Find the time taken by each of them to finish the work. Yes, people can try to work on it. Right? So since the reference is Kaberi, so based on this only the comparison is made. Then we can take up the efficiency, that is x days if Kaberi is taking. If Kaberi is taking x days, then how much days Kanti will take up to complete the particular job? People can give me. Give your thing in public chat. Yeah, Niyati is typing. Oh, Niyati has joined after the test. Okay, fine. Sorry, I have started, Niyati. Two x, is it? Check it. Kn I am representing for. Kaberi takes 6 days as a whole, or what? If are you giving the final result? So if Kaberi is taking x days, alone time. Okay. Oh, that is the final result. Okay. Alone time of Kaberi. Now, what is Conti's number of days? If you could able to answer me, it is better for others also. Three days. No, yeah. If Kaberi is taking x days, and starting from the solving of the question. If Kaberi take x days, then how many days Kanti will take up? Others also you can respond here. I need answer from, yeah, Kaberi by 2. Yes, x by 2. Good. X by 2 for Kanti. And how about this Kalpana? Let me write it as Kalpana, Ka. Is x by 3. Am I right? Yeah, x by 3. So with this we have to solve. This is the idea. This is a basic idea. Is it clear? So if that is there, then number of days, if it is x, then this is alone time. This is what we need to find out. We need to find out x, x by 2 and x by 3. So we have to find out. If x is found out, then it is easy. So they together finish the work in one day. Then what will be the equation? And what will be the equation, my dear friends? What is one day time of Kaberi? One day time, one day work is 1 by x, and one day work of Kanti is 2 by x, and one day's work of Kalpana is 3 by x, correct? If you add all these three things, then you will get the combined one day work. So, and how many days they are taking to finish? Only one day. So, this can be equated to 1 straight away. So, yeah, Niyati has typed in 1 by x plus 2 by x plus 3 by x is equal to 1. You're supposed to find out the value of x. If x is found out, then x by 2 and x by 3 are the answers. X by 2 and x by 3 are the answers. Is it clear? We'll move on to the solution. Sorry. Where is this? So if the alone time of Kaberi is taken as x, then alone time of Kanti is x by 2 and Kalpana is x by 3. I've just made like this. Then x is equal to 6, as Niyati told already. X is equal to 6. Is it clear, friends? Is it clear? Shall we move on? Yeah, Pavish is typing. I need more people to interact with me. Then only I can understand whether you are getting the point. Otherwise, it should not be a monotonous lecture. I am not interested in monotonous lecture. Yeah. So x equal to 6. Shall we move on to the next one? Yeah. So this is the second problem of today. It is Anil and Sunil working separately can assemble a computer in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively. If they are working for 1 hour alternately, if they are working for alternately means first hour Anil is working, the second hour Sunil is working. So like that. If they are working together but in an alternate 1 hour alternately, Anil is beginning. In how many hours will the computer be assembled? So this is the question. The same thing, keeping the question in a different way. That's it. So what we need to do? The alone time of Anil is 10 hours instead of days. Now it has been given as hours. And sorry, Sunil. The alone time of Sunil is 12. This everybody knows. Right? They are working alternately now. Let me take some other color. Yeah. They are working 1 hour alternate thing. Then what is 1 hour work instead of 1 day's work? Normally we have taken only 1 day's work so far. Since it is mentioned in hour, we have to take it as 1 hour work of 1 hour's work of Anil is 1 by 10. Am I right? 1/10 part of the work is completed in 1 hour by Anil. And 1 hour's work of, sorry for my writing, my handwriting is very worst. Generally, you have to bear for my handwriting. No other go for you. So 1 by 12 is the 1 hour's part of work by Sunil. Now in 2 hours, so 1 hour he is working and 1 hour Sunil is working. So the total work completed is going to be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12. So what it is? What is the result of this? What will be the LCM of 10 and 12? Yes, people are typing. Yeah, 11 by 60. Good. So 60 is the LCM. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11 by 60 is a, within 2 hours, if the total work is splitted into 60 parts, then 11 parts are completed in 2 hours. Then how much time it is required to complete the whole work? So since it is 11 here, I can multiply by 5, which is less than 60. Am I right? So I am multiplying this by 5 here. So what will happen? In 10 hours, we are completing 55 by 60th part. Am I right? Is it correct? In 10 hours, so what will happen? One set, that is Anil Sunil, like that, 5 terms it is getting completed. So the next part is to be done by whom? It is Anil. The last 5 by 6th part, 5 by 60th part. 5 by 60th part, 5 by 60 can be simplified. 1 5s are 5 and 12 5s are 60. So the last 1/12th part is pending. So in 1 hour he can complete 1/10 of the part, which is higher. So he is not taking the whole hour to complete, so part of the hour. So how much time he will take to complete 1/12th part of the work? So it is nothing but 10 into 1 by 12. So this is the time taken, right? Correct? So alone time of that has to be multiplied. So it is 5 by 6, right? Now the answer is 10 hours and 5 by 6 hours. Anil is extra working. Anil is working extra for 5 by 6 hours. So it is 10 5 by 6 hours. Is it clear, my dear friends? It looks like tough, but it is very easy. We have to understand the concept, then it is very easy. Is it clear? Or you want me to explain it again? Do you want me to explain it again? Explain it again, sir. Yeah, fine. So, yes, Anil and Sunil are working separately and can assemble the computer alone in 10 hours by Anil and 12 hours by Sunil. That is what is given in the first statement. From that, I am writing this. I hope this is clear. 1 hour's Anil's job is 1/10th part of the work, and 1 hour's job of, yes, that is Sunil. Is it clear? Instead of 1 day, since all these things so far we have got it as 1 day's number of days, all the alone time is in days. Now it is given in hours. So I am just taking it as 1 hour's work. 1 hour's of work of Anil is 1/10th part of the work, and 1 hour's work of Sunil is 1/12th part of the work. Right? Now it is given that if they are working for 1 hour alternately, that is first hour Anil is working, then the second hour Anil is taking rest and Sunil is assembling the computer. So likewise alternately they are doing. So in that sense I am taking a set of 2 hours. So that is why I am taking a set of 2 hours. So let me use some other color now so that the difference you can get it. Right? So for a set of 2 hours, so they are working together, means we are taking the combined work. So 1 by 10th part is completed in first hour, in second hour 1 by 12th part of the computer assembling work is being done. So we got it as 11 by 60. When you add these two, we are getting 11 by 60. So this 11 by 60 means if the whole work is taken as 60 part of work, 11 parts of the work is completed by both of them in 2 hours, that is 1 hour each. 1 hour each they have completed. Right? Now what is to be required? We need to complete the whole thing. How many hours are required to complete the whole job? So that is what is the question. And we know that 11 part of the thing is completed, the remaining 55 part is there. So if they work for other 4 set like this, that is 8 hours, then another 44 part is completed. So as a whole 5 into 2, taking this first 2 hours also into consideration, 5 into 2 is, since it has to be multiplied by 5, which is less than 60, if I am taking 6, then it is 66 part, it would have exceeded. That is the work would have been completed by that time. So we are taking it as 55, so multiplying 5 here and 5 here also. So in 10 hours they will complete 55 by 60 part of the work. So the remaining, what is the remaining part? What is the remaining part? It is 5 by 60. Since 55 part is over, the 5 part is remaining. 5 part of the work is remaining, which is nothing but 1 by 12. And who is have to do, whose turn is the next one? So Anil, Sunil, this is a 5 set is over. 5 set is over. Then the next turn is only Anil's turn. Anil's turn is the next turn. We know that 110 is the efficiency of him. That is, in 1 hour he can complete 1/10 part of the work. So 1 by 10 is greater than 1 by 12. Am I right? 1 by 10 is greater than 1 by 12. So he can complete within an hour. So how much time they are taking, that has to be multiplied. When we multiply the alone time with this, then we will be getting in hours. Right? Right? So 10 into, that is his alone time. So 10 into 1 by 12, you will be getting 5 by 6. And 5 by 6, we can write it as, so what is the total, this thing is 10 hours plus 5 by 6 hours additionally worked by Anil. So the total time taken to assemble the computer is 10 5 by 6 hours. So 10 5 by 6 hours. Otherwise we can write it as 10 hours and 50 minutes. Since 1 hour will have 60 minutes, so it is directly in that fraction, so it is easy for us to convert it. So 10 hours 50 minutes. Sometimes your answer will be in hours and minutes, sometimes it will be in mixed fraction. So we have to calculate both. When we are doing a generalized problem, you should be cautious enough to get both. Right? Is it clear now? 10 hours 50 minutes is the answer, or 10 5 by 6 hours. Clear? Are you on board? Yeah. Yes, that is what I have worked here. For first 2 hours, 1 by 10, 1 by 12, 11 by 60th part of the work is completed. In 10 hours, 55 by 60 part of the work is completed. So the remaining work is 5 by 60, that is nothing but 1 by 12 part of the work. So time taken by Anil to complete 1 by 12th part is equal to 10 into 1 by 12, that is equal to 5 by 6 hours. So time taken to complete is 10 by 5 by 6 hours, that is equal to 10 hours 50 minutes. So I hope I can go to the next problem. Shall I? Shall I go to the next problem? Yeah, Rasiga is typing. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah. Good to see a lot of people responding. Yes, the next problem is, what is time now? 10:56. Okay. So with this problem we will close. I think I have other 2-3 problems. Anyway, we'll finish off within time. Okay, Prakash has done 1/3 of a job in 8 days. Prakash has done 1/3 of the job in 8 days. Surya completes the rest job in 8 days. In how many days could Prakash and Surya together have completed the work? I think this is very simple problem. So 1/3 of the problem is completed by Prakash in 8 days, and 2/3 of remaining job is 2/3 of the problem. 2/3 of the job. 2/3 of the job is completed by Surya in 8 days. So we need to find out the alone time or 1 day's work. Anything we have to find out first. If that is done, we need to find out 1 day's job of both. Once that is done, then we have to add it up and we'll be getting the combined 1 day's work. Taking reciprocal of that will give you the total number of days. Conventional problem. The conventional problem it is. Yes? In the case of the regular alone time, when we are calculating, when Prakash has done the work in 8 days, means we call it as 8 is the alone time of Prakash. 8 is the alone time of Prakash. So since 1/3 of the job he can complete in 8 days, then 3 times this. So 3 into 8 is his alone time. Am I right? Sorry, into. So 3 into 8 is the alone time of Prakash. Could you able to get this? That is 3 by 1 of the inverse of this we have to take. 3 by 1 into 8. Is it clear? Could you able to get this first? So that is Prakash, 1/3 of the work is completed in 8 days. Means the second part of the work he'll complete in another 8 days. So 8 plus 8. The third part he'll complete in another 8 days. So it is equal to 24 days. It is nothing but 3 by 1 into 8. So likewise, please don't respond it as only yes sir. Just give me the clear reply please. So for Surya, yeah, Surya, how much time they will take? How much Surya will take? 2/3 of the work is completed by Surya in 8 days. Means 3 by 2 into 8. Correct? 3 by 2 into 8. So 3 fours are 12. 12 days. So this is the alone time of Prakash and Surya. Right? So what is the final answer now? So how to find out how many days when they work together they'll complete it? So it is simple. The combined 1 day's work you have to take 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24, and the inverse of that will give you the number of days to complete the whole work. Is it clear? What is LCM? LCM is 24. It is so simple problem. And here it is 2 plus 1. So it is equal to 3 by 24. That is nothing but 2. I am not able to write 24. So it is equal to 1 by 8. So answer is 8 days. They need 8 days. So if they combine together, then within 8 days the whole job is getting completed. Yes. So this is what it is. Only thing is the alone time calculation, just they are giving a small change. But the problem solving, the methods are similar, whatever we did earlier. It is 11 o'clock now. I hope few more problems are there. Anyway, due to the want of time, I am closing it now. Thank you. So the remaining problems we will take it up later, or I will give you. Shall we have test today also? But it's either today or tomorrow morning. If you are good with the morning, just before coming to the test class, can you take it up? Shall I give 1 hour? I'll open up 1 hour test so that as I think Niyati told me that. Please don't give it as yes sir. I can't understand what for you are saying yes sir. That is why. So for any interview or anything, your communication should be crystal clear. So whatever you are trying to say, you have to be boldly, bravely you have to say that. Nothing wrong in it. We will take up the test tomorrow morning. Very good. We can take test at morning before class, sir. Good. Everybody, only Niyati and Sri Vaishnavi are saying. I need it from everyone. 23, 22 people are there. Still half of the class is not coming. Okay. So if it is, I think tomorrow it is 11 to 12. I don't know. For your thing, I have to check. Yeah, I'm waiting for the people to respond. Morning we can take the test. Yeah, this you should have told yesterday so that I would have been happy by this time.